Hey there y'all, this is Billy here back on the channel, and today I'm finally bringing my first impressions and my first race report with the RC10 T7 Team Associated. So let's jump right in. So I finally got to race this thing last Thursday, and it had some kinks to work out, but overall it was a really fun race. Pretty much like the only thing that really happened to it was that the sensor cable kind of came out and it just made it drive a little funny for the first two quals, but the mains definitely were fun because I actually got to use this thing to its full power. And yeah, so let me just show you guys the car and talk about a little bit about the specs before we jump into the race. Taking off the body. So we did get a battery while I was there. Everything pretty much worked extremely well, aside from the sensor cable not being in for the first two quals, like I said earlier. I also did get a new pinion for it, and that definitely amped up the speed that I wasn't exactly ready for, but overall, super fun race. Definitely had a very fun time with this thing. Definitely recommend you get one of these if you want to get into stadium truck. Team Associated makes a great kit. They didn't include a gear diff, but I think the ball diff actually worked out pretty okay. I'm going to use it until it burns up or I need to get a gear diff. But yeah, a little bit of a spec list real quick. We have the Just Stock Hobbywing XR10 going to the Just Stock 17.5 turn brushless motor. The battery is a ProTech 5600, I believe. Yep, there it is, 5600. It's pretty tall. I didn't have these taller mounts while I was at the track, so I had to buy some more. As you can see, I didn't fully screw it all the way in, but you know, stuff just happens, you know. For the servo, we have the Savox SC12 58TG, my favorite 10 scale servo, just because they're cheap and they work great and they're just extremely reliable. Milapse transponder. And yeah, it's pretty much stock otherwise. Oh yeah, tires, obviously we got the fuzz bites in the rear, we got the swaggers up front. They worked really well on the track, felt really planted, felt really controllable. Really like these tires. Honestly, this tire combo is fantastic. I would tell you guys what the tooth number is on this pinion, but I guess you can just count it right there if you want. It's definitely taller than what I had in there before, and it definitely gave me a lot more speed on the straight, which will definitely make me more competitive in the future. But yeah, that's pretty much all the specs going on in this thing. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention the FGR4S V2 receiver going to the OG Noble. But yeah, that's pretty much all the specs I got in my RC10 T7. Last thing I'm gonna say, overall, first impressions though, really like this thing. This thing is freaking a weapon on the track. I know that I'm gonna get better with time. But yeah, stadium truck is seriously a fun class. The body just, Dylan just does a great job every single time. And I just love that he put on the actual headlights and grill so I didn't have to put on stickers. But yeah, just, I really love this thing, y'all. This thing is seriously cool. But anyway, enjoy the races, guys.
Nice ride. Oh, and he makes a pass on Rick. That was the closest battle in the call on that between these two. Let's see if Rick can take it back. Oh, Mauricio makes a mistake. Oh, spin around Rick to get some running there. Really trying to capitalize on that mistake. He's quite cool. Position in third.
Top riders are Mauricio Winner, Rick Navini, Billy Russell's, Wesley Ward.
3 minutes 50 left. Currently the fastest man on the track with 11.4. Rick Nardini first, 11.7. Going on third, 11.9. Wesley running out the field with a 12 flat. 3 minutes 25 left to go. seconds left, 2 minutes down, we have.
After 2 minutes, the top drivers are Rick Nervian, Mauricio Witter, Willie Ruffles, Wesley Moore.
Versus slowly making ground on Rick. He's now on 1 second behind Rick. Billy's on 1 second behind Mauricio. That's the round off the field with 2 minutes, 40 seconds left. Oh, looks like Rick made a mistake. Mauricio catch back up. Mauricio tries to pass. Rick shuts the door. Tries the inside. Can't quite get it. Coming down the straight. And he makes the pass on Rick. 2 minutes left to go. Oh, that's a little dirty. Mauricio hangs on to that one spot. Rick coming in second. Makes a quick ball off the double. And he is coming into the straight.
2 minutes after 3 minutes, 1 second. The top drivers are Mauricio Witter, Rick Nervian, Billy Russels, Wesley Moore.
Rick, that's a little bit. Rick's on 1 second behind. Billy's on the back door. Rick on 0.4 seconds behind. Trying to make that pass on Rick. He's getting a little ground on the field. The closest now is currently between second and third. Billy's only 0.3 seconds behind.
One minute after 4 minutes, 1 second.
1 minute left.
The top drivers are Mauricio Witter, Rick Nervian, Billy Russels, Wesley Moore.
Oh, it
45 seconds
looks like
left.
Mauricio makes a mistake. That allowed Rick to go by. Billy's trying to capitalize on that mistake. And he does. Moves up into second. Or it looks like it's going to be Rick, Billy, Mauricio. 30 seconds left, guys. 30
30 seconds left.
And Billy take over that first spot.
No.
Oh, he makes a quick ball. Mauricio catches him. He's only 0.8 seconds behind Billy. Oh, he two-wheels it.
15
He
seconds
wants it,
left.
and he takes it.
No.
Mauricio moves back up to second, knocking Billy down to 30. 10 seconds left, drivers. This will be your last lap finish strong. Top three on 4 seconds behind you, Billy.
Wesley Moore done. Rick Nervian done. Mauricio Witter done.
Gibson third,
All
Gibson
drivers are
second,
finished.
Billy third.
Billy
That will
Russell's
be your
done.
podium.
The race is completed.